Dear international students, welcome back to Full Scholarships. We are going to discuss fully funded scholarship in Sweden, and it's one of the best countries to study. The environment, the climate, everything is suitable for anyone. So, whoever wants to be adjusted within a month, Sweden is the destination, Sweden is the location. It's highly preferred by international students as well. So we will be discussing about the Sweden government fully funded scholarships for session 2022 to 2023. But before that, if you have not subscribed our YouTube channel, please subscribe. Also give a like to this video. Please watch full video so that you cannot miss any part of the application. If you are new on this page, comment down your difficulty and we will answer that doubt that you have. To begin with the application, you can get the link from the video description below as usual. Also, you can get it from Instagram bio here. You can watch Instagram story or message us. We will send you the link. So after clicking on the link in the video description, you will be redirected to our website here. So let's brief this. It's provided by the Sweden, and bachelor's, master's and PhD courses will be covered. So financial coverage is fully funded. Some courses might be partial, but maximum are fully funded. So deadline varies between February 2022 to October 2022. So you have enough time to get adjusted in Sweden. Here are the two top universities in Sweden, Uppsala and Bti, and they offer some courses without IELTS. And if you do not have IELTS to study in Sweden, you can use the English proficiency certificate which you can get from your previous institute or university, stating that you have your courses in English language. So if you are a student from Asian countries like India and Pakistan, then you can apply using any 4-year bachelor's program, or that will be equal to the Sweden system. Similarly, you can check other details here. Now at the end, after scrolling to the end of this page, here you can see Sweden University's spring scholarships. So anyone who is interested to complete bachelor's, master's degree from Sweden is highly encouraged to apply. Now to begin with the application part, you have reached the end of this page. Here you can see two buttons. Click here to apply now, and if you are watching this video, then you have already clicked on here, or you have on YouTube. So if anyone is new here, if any of the friend you want to watch the video first, click, then send them this link so that they can watch this video. Let me remind you again, if you are not followed us on Instagram, please click the follow button. Also, if you are new here on this YouTube channel, please subscribe. Now click on this apply now button here. After clicking on that apply button, here you can see the Sweden Study in Sweden website has appeared in front of. Here you can see all scholarships, university scholarships, SI scholarships, everything is mentioned here. You can apply to any of them. But today we are going to discuss about this Bti scholarship. Now you have landed here on this page. Here are 38 available opportunities. So click on this Bti scholarship here. After clicking on that Bti scholarship, here you can check scholarship detail. Here is for the prospective students who want to apply, and second is for current students who are already there. And here are the dates and granted scholarship lists also mentioned here, so you can check your names if you are published later on. Now to give me the application process, here is how to apply section. So you have to read this carefully. You apply for a Bti scholarship after you have applied for a Bti campus-based program or a single subject course on universityadmissions.se. Okay, the application will be only considered if you are a tuition fee. So you have to apply for the admission first, then it will be automatically considered for this scholarship. Then you have to go to this tuition fee and scholarship portal to get the scholarship application. Now we have to get the admission first, then we can get the scholarship. It's common thing that once you have admission from any country that or any university, then they can offer you scholarship. Without offering scholarship, without knowing your course, how would they be giving you any scholarship? So Simply click on this universityadmissions.se here, this link. After clicking on that link, you can find your course here. Apply to masters, bachelors, anything you want. So now I will ease this process. Simply go to here on this login button. Click on this login button. Now if you have previously logged in, like I have previously logged in, so I have my ID, but I haven't applied, I have just created my account, so I can use the same detail. Otherwise, if you are new like me here, so you can use this create new account. Click on this create an account. Now here you can see you have to create an account. Now if you are from Sweden, you can apply, but if you are from international, then I don't have a Swedish personal ID, then simply click on this no button. Here now submit the full name, legal name, address, confirm email, and otherwise another dot things, mark these, then click on this robot and then create an account. Now you have created email, password and everything. Now confirm the account from your email. Once you confirm that account from the email, use the same details and same password, then simply click on this login button. Here you can see I have no applications here. Now let's choose the courses. Simply go to my selection. Here you can see find course and programs. Now you can find courses from any other universities, programs here. You have to choose. Let me choose my. So here I have found my course. So simply select that. Now it is added to my course. Go to my selection. Now here you can see start application. Click on that. Now you must rank your choices before submitting, so we have to like continue. Now my upper secondary are from, select your country and submit details. My university qualifications from, then I have, so then select submit. You must verify your fee exempt status. Okay, so then we have to click OK. So here are the details. Now we have to go to my applications. Your application is not complete and cannot be processed at this time. In order to begin processing your application, we must receive your application fee and documentation. So here you can see to payment. So here you can see payment. So in order to get exemption, you have to send that you are an international student. So here are the details. I agree. So we can proceed to bank transfer also. If you are not required to pay an application fee because you are currently registered at Swedish University, we will check your stats automatically. Okay, so here you can check the required documents. So now you have to complete the steps. So here is my country. Here are the general English requirements, general document requirements, translation requirements, and ID requirements. I have to complete all these. Then I have to go here and proceed and send my documents here. Here is the document tab. Now you have to upload all the documents here. You can click on upload button, then select document name, then select the document type, then you can choose and upload. So you can go to my selection also and my page. Here you can see applications. So payment must be received by the November 1st, so you can pay by credit card, and then you can complete the other processes. So it's very simple. I hope you understood. Here let me remind you again, go to application, read details and proceed to payment. Now go to my page, then click on documents and then upload documents. English proficiency, like if you have from English, if you do not have IELTS, no worry, you have to just submit the English certificate that you have completed previous course in English, then ID documents, then certificate, diplomas and transcript for bachelors. Here you can check requirements, and for masters similarly. Then you can go here, and if you have any profile details incomplete, you can complete that as well. Also, if you have application fee you want to pay, then you can click here on the application fee as well. So you can check details about your application here, then you can agree and proceed to card payment as well. So you can complete from any of the steps. I hope you have understood the process. So here you have to pay the fees. Here you can see the application has been sent. So they have received your details. Once they receive your fee, they will make this portal open so that you can fill other details like personal details, educational details, and that you have to fill according to your documents. So the details that you fill, you should match them with documents. So upload documents, fill details, that's your application has been submitted. So let me check if we can go to this tuition fee. So here we can go to the application. Let me copy this. So once your application is completely submitted, you can copy this application number here and then use the same email ID. Then you can sign in. This is for the scholarship portal. So then you can submit the application fee or other fee waivers here. So you can print this cover sheet for qualifications you will be submitting. So here is the cover sheet. So you can print this cover sheet and attach your documents and send them to this address as well. So if you do this by physical means, then you can submit that. However, you can upload that. So here you can read all details. Submitting documents by regular post or courier. Uploading documents. A cover sheet should never be included when uploading documents. So you don't need to include this cover while you upload here documents. Here you don't need to submit this cover sheet. Then if you only send by post method, then you need this. I hope you understood the process. Here go to application and simply I will remind you the 3 steps. Now you have completed your application. It has been sent to university. Now you have to pay your application fee. Then you have to upload your documents, and then you have to fill other details that will be showing on this application page here. Once you complete all, once this payment reminder goes away from here, a edit option will be available here, so you have to fill all details. I hope you have understood the process and you have understood whole process. Please do like, subscribe this video and subscribe to this channel as well. Thank you for watching. Like and share.